Today, we're going to make American lamb chop dinner in Brazil cuisine inspiration. First, we're gonna soak the meat in milk. But we're going to put all the spices into the milk first, like cumin, pepper, garlic, onion, coriander, ginger. What else? That's cumin. Oh, and salt, of course. Then stir all the spices in the milk. Make sure they're mixed well together and put down all the meat into the milk mixture. You know why? To make the meat more tender. Set it aside for about 4 hours. Let's work on the cabbage as a side dish. Wash it real clean. Then cut up the cabbage. Now, let's cut up the red onion. We only need half of it. Put oil in the pan and put the onion into the pan. Stir the onion constantly. Make sure that they do not burn. After the onion caramelizes, then put all the cabbage down into the pan. Stir them well enough. Then pour about 1/3 of bowl of water into the pan and stir them together. Let's cook them about 15 minutes until all the cabbage are soft. Don't forget to season it with pepper and salt. Okay, let the cabbage cook until soft. Now let's take care of the cassava or yuca. I'm using the grated cassava. Pour all the cassava into a bowl. Then mix it with all-purpose flour for about 1 tablespoon so it will be easy to mold them, to shape them. Put some dash of salt. Then mix the cassava or yuca with the flour thoroughly. Mix them good together. After that, put it aside for a while. Let's take care of the cabbage. The water is almost gone. That's good. And the cabbage should be soft already. That's great. Now turn off the stove and wait a while until it is cool a little bit. Cut the cheese to make the cassava cheesecake. Cassava or yuca are the main food in Brazil. We're gonna make cassava cake with cheese stuffed inside it. It's like cassava cheese ball rather than cheesecake, right? Well, we only have enough cassava to make 3 cassava cheese balls. Instead of making 4, we only have 3 now. Oh well, that's okay. Now put a lot of frying oil into the pan because we're going to fry the cassava cheese ball. Make sure the oil is already heated before you put the cassava ball in. Make sure to flip them many times so they won't burn. Just golden brown color on each side will be great. Okay, that's it. It's all done. Put them on the plate. Pour out all the oil from the frying pan. Just leave a little bit of oil and we're gonna use it to cook the meat, the lamb chop. We're gonna grill the lamb chop on the same pan. Just watch what you're cooking so it won't get burned. Flip them over many times so it will cook evenly. Looks like it's cooked pretty nice, huh? Okay then, let's put them on a plate. How nice they turn out. Now we're going to make the sauce using the same milk that you soaked the meat. Mix it with liquid flour so it will be a little bit thicker for the sauce. And boil it until it's all boiled up. Okay guys, you better turn off the stove now, otherwise it will spill out of the pot. Time to do the plating now. Let's do some artwork on the Cuisine Art on our plate. Put the cassava ball in the middle of the plate and put the lamb chop on top of it. Then arrange the cabbage dish according to your design. What is our design for today, guys? Looks like some kind of heart design, isn't it? Yep, that's heart design. The sauce really makes the design more clearer, huh? Heart design for sure. Oh, what a cute flower. Oh, 3 flowers, and they are edible. How nice! What a nice design, guys. Hooray! Good job!